Hello everyone, Chapter 1 is about shattered shapes. So what is a shattered shape? Let's take a look. In the upper right, black has a small night corner enclosure. If white plays here, and black tanukis, white can cut through here. Black now has a shattered shape. White's two stones are connected together and they directly separate. Black's stones on both sides. White's two stones are very solid, while black's shape has been broken apart. That is what we call a shattered shape. I have found that shattered shapes appear very often at Q level. You may look at this example and feel that you understand it, but in real games, while we are playing, we may unknowingly create many different shattered shapes. Now let's look at another case. If the stones are like this, in another kind of position, for example in the center, this kind of shape is also a shattered shape. Its key feature is this: some stones are pressed tightly against our connected stones, and they become wasted stones. These white stones become wasted. They do nothing, threaten black in no way, and just cling to the wall. If a stone is farther away, for example like this, then comparatively it is slightly better. Of course, sometimes it still may not be good, but it is still far stronger than this kind of shattered shape pressed against white. So, in some positions, a shattered shape can even be more important than losing one stone. We need to understand shattered shapes correctly. They may matter more than the life or death of one stone. For example, if black cuts here, white makes the opponent's shape shattered. The value of that is much greater than the one stone being captured. Once we have this judgment, then in real games we can decisively choose to shatter the opponent's shape. Many people will probably have a question here. If black plays like this, white gives Atari and then connects. Black captures this white stone. At this point, white has made black's shape shattered on this side. White has lost one stone here, so who is better? The result is that white is satisfied even after losing one stone. The value of creating a shattered shape is greater than that captured stone. For instance, white can block below and then capture black's stones in the corner. Of course, the follow-up depends on the specific position. But we can see how valuable a shattered shape is. In fact, it is even more valuable than simply capturing stones. The gain from forcing the opponent into a shattered shape may be much greater than we imagine. So, in real games, we must learn how to create shattered shapes for the opponent, and how to avoid making shattered shapes ourselves.